Tfuel continues to be an absolute beast, pushing above 7 cents at the time of recording. My name is Kyle, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be checking in on the price action of Tfuel, as Tfuel continues to blast its way to the upside. How strong are these bulls? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you what I'm looking at. Tfuel up on the daily chart, and Tfuel continues to be an absolute rocket ship to the upside since my last analysis. Ever since Tfuel broke above this purple box liquid zone right here that had a top side coming in around 0.039 cents. It had a quick back test confirming that as support, and the rest is history. I mean, this thing hasn't even gotten a wick down to that 10 simple moving average. I mean, even the 10 simples being front ran right now, and anything that's finding support off the 10 simple moving average, especially when it's aggressively sloped to the upside like this, is not only trend in progress, but very strong trend in progress. I see that that Tfuel offered up a purple box liquid zone here with the bottom side coming in around 0.06 cents and the top side coming in around 0.064 cents. And at the time of recording is completely shredding that liquid zone on decent volume down below, getting above the moving average as well as obliterating the last. I mean, this volume coming in right now is literally starting to get above all this volume as this thing moves to the upside. I mean, this is a very convincing move to the upside. Now there's Now, I'm not buying Tfuel at these levels, by the way, and I wouldn't give any financial advice to any of you anyhow, because I'm not a financial advisor, but my actionable signal is down here. I don't typically FOMO into these parabolic rises, as I know at some point they will pull back, and then I look to buy the dips on these kinds of things. But I'm happy to ride these out as they continue to rocket to the upside, and of course, doing TA along the way is a very good thing, so I can put my conditions in place for as to when I want to take some profits, as to when I want to reload my positions. But things right here, trend in progress. Let's talk about the Bollinger Bands on for a second here. So I see that when we got above this purple box liquid zone here, the daily candle bodies started to close above that top Bollinger Band and just continue to do so. The moment that Tfuel closed the daily candle body below that top Bollinger Band, a very quick pullback to that 10 simple moving average, and has now worked its way back up and is closing above that top Bollinger Band once more. Let's check this out in a 2-day as well. Going up to a 2-day chart. Interesting. Very interesting. So yeah, Tfuel gets above that Bollinger Band on a 2-day chart and has not closed a daily candle body below that top Bollinger Band. And so long as it's doing that, it's just trend in progress. Let's check the 3-day. Yeah, same thing on the 3-day here. Daily candle bodies coming closing above that top Bollinger Band, and this thing just keeps it's literally a rocket ship loaded with Tfuel heading to the moon. So I guess my conditions for this, let's go back to the daily chart. When we get a daily candle body closure below that top Bollinger Band, maybe even perhaps a 2-day, then I'll be looking for a pullback. I do see that it's pretty, at least on a 2-day chart, it's very stretched from all the major notable moving averages, getting well above the 1021. But all these moving averages are in complete bullish posturing, super aggressive slopes to the upside, lower periods living above the higher periods. I mean, who knows how high these are going to get before Tfuel decides to do a pullback. And one thing that I've learned about parabolic rises is don't try to call the top. Don't be the bullzo that tries to call the top, that shorts into something else. I'm not even sure if you can short Tfuel, but things can go, they can surprise you. They can go much higher than you even think they'll go. That's why I look for certain candle body closures and certain conditions that, statistically speaking, have worked very well for me over the years. But at some point in time, Tfuel will have itself a pullback, and I'll be looking to the major notable moving averages, likely bounce off the 10 at first pass. And right now, the 10's coming in way the hell down at 0.046 cents. I mean, who knows where that's going to be when that pullback happens. But typically, the bots and algos are programmed to these moving averages, so they, at the very least, they offer up significant bounces to the downside and or buy the dip opportunities. Still in the 2-day here. Let's go back to the 1-day. Talking down to the RSI is meteoric in the overbought zone. Exponential moving average is well into the bullish control zone at this point in time. And I don't see any major divergences to be pooping my pants about at this point in time, as the RSI is looking to get up above its last high here. However, at the time of recording, I do see that, you know, there's a little bit of a negative slope. But you know what? Honestly, I think this RSI is going to get up above this. And of course, when it comes to divergences for me, they're not divergences until they're confirmed. And I'd have to see daily candle body closures back below this liquid zone all the way down at 0.06 cents, like on a closing basis. And I see the 10s right there. I mean, there are no divergences present here to even be worried about at this point in time. Things are looking good. Stochastics fresh across to the upside. The trading day still has 9 hours and 42 minutes remaining, so that's not confirmed, but looking probable that it will. And stochastics being more of a range bound indicator, just kind of overheat, get nuclear, swerve around in these exhaustion zones as things are in very meteoric trending behavior. MACD down below, just looking strong AF. I mean, these moving averages are very, very positively sloped to the upside, and the histogram is coming in with another massive bar of positive momentum here. Overall, things look good. Trend in progress. Trend is your friend until the end. And so all one can do is just watch this thing go crazy. Congratulations to anybody who accumulated back in here. And of course, those who accumulated way back here at the 1 cent mark and below, well, you are a champion. Good for you. I hope you're just experiencing beautiful gains. And I also hope that you have a plan to take profits at some point in time when you identify conditions for yourself to do such a thing. But things looking really good here for Tfuel, and this thing is just in progress until it's not. I'll be looking for those daily candle body closures below that Bollinger Band. Actually, probably the 2-day is what I'll be looking for on this one. Oh, I just completely bombed my chart. I've broken the internet, you guys, so I'm going to have to call it right there. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for coming by and checking out this video. I hope you're all doing well out there and enjoying your beautiful Tfuel gains. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, have yourselves a powerful day.